Hey y'all, it's Mary. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got a package from Dashing Diva. I ordered a few nails for myself. There was no sale or anything. I usually wait for a sale, but they have sales every weekend. I don't know why I didn't wait for the weekend, but I bought this like Thursday or Friday of last week. And they come very quickly. That's one thing. I placed my order in the morning sometime, and then in the afternoon I already got an email saying that it had been shipped. So they're really quick about getting things done over there. I'm an affiliate for Dashing Diva. The reason that I'm laughing is because I've already filmed this, but I didn't turn the camera on, so that doesn't work that way. So I am an affiliate for Dashing Diva, and I have a link below. If you use my link, you're going to spend the same amount, whether you use my link or go directly to the website. But if you use my link, I get a few pennies for it. So if a few people buy under me, like 3 people buy under me in the course of a quarter, I might get like $5.43. But every little bit helps. So let me show you what I got. I noticed that I got a lot of dark colors. So I don't know what kind of mood I was in, but I think I was off in thought land or something. This is a light one though. This one is called Daisy Days. And these are, I would call this like a coral with some cream. And then the accent nails have daisies on them. It is hard to see with the ring light. And I even turned the ring light down all the way. But I don't know if you can see it. If I turn it off completely, then I'm in shadow. But see, it's still, my overhead light is bright. My dining room light, so. But that is light and summery. These were $9. I got 5 sets and 4 of them were $9. One was $7. This one is Bubbling Beaker. And it's hard to tell, but these are navy at the top and they have some squiggly silver lines in them. And then these are gray at the bottom and they have some sparkles in them. And then these accent nails are just all different and interesting art. It looked very much like an art project, or not an art project, like I was in an art museum. That's what this reminded me of. So I thought those would be sort of fun to wear. And then I got these, and these are called Onyx Crystal. And these are black here, and then they have a French manicure with a little diamond in there, and a daisy with a diamond in the center, and then a cream color. And these, I don't know why I got all these dark ones, but I did. So when you get a package of the Dashing Diva, I got all medium size because that's my preference. I have a ton of nails, y'all, but I tried to get some different, designs or colors. There's always 30 nails in this package. And so hopefully we'll be able to find your sizes in here. And if, we have 10 fingers, 30 nails, you can usually get like 2 manicures out of it. If you wear them, what I do is I used to do that, wear them for about a week and then change them every weekend. But now sometimes I'll wear them longer. So if I wear them longer, then, 1 or 2 will pop off and then I put them on. So it doesn't, it's not that I have two genuine manicures. But if I did it that way, used it once a week, put the package away for a while and tried it again, I'd have 2 manicures out of the package. So for $9, it's well worth it. But I like to sometimes just leave them on for a while. And like I said, 1 or 2 will pop off and then you have to keep adding to them. So, and then I also have stickers. You can buy them on Dashing Diva. You can buy them elsewhere. And you just peel the sticker off the backing once it falls off and then put a new sticker on. And then they're back on you. And each container comes with this little kit in there. There's a little instruction manual. There's a little emery board and an orange stick, and then a little pad. It's in a little metal kind of a container. I don't know what I'm saying, y'all. It's a little alcohol pad. Why can't I say that? And then you use that to clean your nails, and you file your nails and push your cuticles back before you put on your nails. So I do have some demonstration videos on Dashing Diva if you'd like to see them. If I remember, I'll try to put one in the description here. And then the last 2 that I got are very similar. So this one is called Amber Ale, and it has the tortoiseshell. That's what that's what I liked about this one, the tortoise shell. And then this is like a nice coffee with cream. And then these are cream colors, so I think that'll be pretty. And then this one is a $7 package. This is called Slow and Steady, and it has the tortoise shell again. And then this gray down here is just sort of a plain gray. And then these two accent nails, there's more accent nails in here. That's a cream color, and it looks like it's splattered with gold shiny flecks on there. So those are my 5 that I got, and so that comes out to $43. But because I buy from Dashing Diva, I am, if you join on their website, there is, what is it called? Divas, you're a diva or something, and you get points for spending. And it doesn't take a lot to get points. I have a lot of points. So I used some points and got $10 off. So I paid $33 for these, for the 5 of them. So again, I have the Daisy Days, the Bubbling Beaker. This was Amber Ale, Slow and Steady, and Onyx Crystal. So that is my Dashing Diva, and I hope y'all like that. I love the Dashing Diva. They're my favorite. There are many different kinds out there. I have tried the Temu recently. I've talked to y'all about those. Those you have to put the stickers on yourself. They're a lot of work, but they're very, very inexpensive. They have a lot of sales, so if you don't mind saving a lot of money and doing extra work, because it does take a lot of work to make them work. I had trouble with this set that I tried. I do have a couple other sets. I will try it again. And then there are, several different brands out there that are good. There are some that are more expensive. There are some that are less expensive. But a lot of these, you can find these in the drugstore. And they're just easy to do. For me, they're easy to do. The first couple times you do them, they're gonna be a little intimidating maybe. But if you just take your time, what I like to do is I like to line up what's gonna match my nails, line it up. So then I have them right in front of me so that I could do it easier. So like I said, I'll put one or two of my videos. I did 2, I think. I'll put them in the description if you want to go see that. And thank y'all for stopping by to see my Dashing Diva nails. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.